How to play Garry's Mod on PS5. So Garry's Mod is an old sandbox game. There are many methods to play Garry's Mod, and all of which we will cover in this video. The game relies heavily on user-generated content and modding, which is more prevalent in the PC gaming community. While it's technically possible to run Gmod on consoles using third-party software and niche methods, it is not recommended or supported. Now, let's check if Garry's Mod is available for PS5. So, much like the PS4, Gmod on the PS5 is not available, but you can play Garry's Mod on the PC with a PS5 controller by using the external software to map your controller inputs to your keyboard. So, to make the long story short, it is not possible to install and play Garry's Mod on PS5, but you can use your PS5 controller to your PC to be able to play Garry's Mod on your PC, and that is how to play Garry's Mod on PS5.